Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all of the listeners. My name is Muhammad Akil Akhtar bin Aznain and I will be the first one from Group 8 Class EMD5M7C to present. We will be presenting about our group project which is Rfid Smart Door. Before going further with the presentation, I will be sharing with you about what our group will be presenting today. We will talking about introduction, input output, program, flowchart, circuit diagram, coding and demonstration of our group project. Background. Following the technology advancements, University Zolajimara UiTM makes every student identification card equipped with Rfid. So what is Rfid? Rfid is radio frequency identification, which use electromagnetic fields in order to automatically recognize and track text attached to things. So what is the problem statement? Attendance to the class for students of University Tojimara still use pen and paper. The time taken to take attendance for every student in a class will take at least 50 minutes. Another thing that already did by UiTM is which is to the student need to log into a site to record their attendance, but sometimes student can forget or cheat on their attendance. So the aim for the project is to assist lecturer to record their students attendance as it will be sent to their Excel file. Second is to assist the student in opening the door to the class due to COVID. And the third is to reduce time taken to take attendance so the student can learn uh, longer in their class. For the input, our group project have two input. First is the RFID reader. RFID reader is a network connected device that can be portable or permanently attached. It uses radio waves to transmit signals that activate the tag. Once activated, the tag sends a wave back to the antenna where it is translated into data. The transponder is in the RFID tag itself. Second is the IR sensor, which is infrared sensor. It gives an electrical signal as an output when an object comes in front of it. By using the output electrical signal, the Arduino can decide whether there is an obstacle or not. For the output, we have 5 output. The first one is servo motors. Servo motors allow you to precisely control physical movement because they generally move to a position rather than continuously rotating. Second is liquid crystal display, which is LCD, are commonly used to display data in devices such as calculator, microwave ovens, and many other electronic devices. The third one is Excel. Excel is used to store data that it gets from Arduino. The fourth one is LED. LED is light emitter diode. Is an electronic device which emits light when the current pass through its terminal. LED are used in various applications. It also used as an on or off button in different electronic devices. And the last one is buzzer. Buzzer is a device that produces sound when electrical current is passed through by it. The buzzer can directly connect it to the Arduino and produce different tones by giving different frequency electric pulse to the buzzer.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Muhammad Afizuddin bin Muhammad Rusdi. I will be the second presenter. For the flowchart, the RFID smart door system start when RFID is wiped to RFID sensor. The RFID sensor will read the data from the data student. If the data are compatible with the coding, the buzzer will beat for 1 kHz. Then the servo motor will open the door. Then LCD will appear, name, and the data will store to the Excel. If the data not compatible with the coding, the buzzer will beat 200 Hz and will return to the start again. When the student pass the door, the IR sensor will detect the student and the door will be automatically closed. Then the LED as a lighting for the classroom will turn on and the first student enter the class. Then the process ends. For the circuit diagram, based on the circuit diagram in slide, all the input and output are connected to the breadboard. Then they are connected to the specific
For the product overview, we can see that this is our product, which is RFID smart door, and we can see that this is the isometric view and the top view of this product. So from this view, we can see that the position of the input and output of this product to work, and we also can see that the circuit of this product that support to the system.
For the coding, we using Arduino IDE as a platform used for the programming. For the first coding, we declare that LCD library, RFID library, and servo library. For the RFID, SS and RST are connected to the pin 10 and pin 9. For the servo motor at the pin 3, for the buzzer at pin 8, and for the IR sensor at the pin 2, and the 2 of LED at pin 6 and 5. Then we declare the string name and long ID STD for the ID student. Next, we declare 3 type of void, which is void buzzer, void LCD, and void door. It will be easier when they are separated. For the second stage, void setup. In void setup, we declare LEDs and buzzer as our output pin. Then we also declare the data output to Excel as a serial print data, and we set the initial position for the servo, which is 0 degree. For the last stage, void loop, which looping operation in the coding. IR sensor will be high, then the servo will 60 degree, and LED are turned on. Then the RFID sensor will continue read for the new RFID card. Then all data from the card are converted to the string data and will be displayed to the LCD, as you can see in the slide. If the data from the student ID card are not compatible with the coding, the buzzer will be beat 200 Hz, then the LCD will be short, not allowed, and wrong class. Finally, after all data are read, the data need to be stored in Excel, which is as a serial data. As you can see on the slide, the data are stored perfectly in each column, which is column date, name, ID student, and time. Then the LCD will be displayed, attendance recorded.
For the result and discussion, we can see that the product have been done successfully. This product was tested successfully because we can see from the output, this RFID smart door can read the data from the student. From that data, it will be transferred to the unique identifier UID, and from that, we can see that the name, date, ID student, and time will be recorded to the Excel file. From this Excel file, we can see that this is the attendance that will be given to the lecturer. From making of this product is very challenging because of the coding is very complicated and long, and it is hard to design this product because of the position of the input and output of the system. From this conclusion, we can see that this RFID smart door can solve the problem of the taking attendance to the class and reduce the time taken for attendance in class and help the student to open the door automatically. For the future expectation for this project is UiTM or other school or other universities in Malaysia can use this product so the learning time can be efficient and can improve the learning of the student in the Malaysia.
Stop. Anchor betul. Okay. Start. Stop.